Good morning, Hong Kong.
Good morning, Hong Kong.
We're here, guys, but it's raining. Ooh, hopefully the rain will stop. Let's go. Go. Be careful, it's slippery.
Welcome to Ocean Park.
Thank you, anak Ian. Lily's catch you guys. Take a picture. Oh, Bob, look at that. That's dolphin. Dolphin. This is Ocean Park. Yes, this is Ocean Park.
No, I don't want to go.
That's a Grand Aquarium.
Spin your passion into a business with Shopify.
We're
And
here at
break
the
sales
Grand
records.
Aquarium. Wow, Bob, look at the big fish. I think they're gonna feed it, but we just don't know how much left. Those are the oysters, Mama? Oh, look at the starfish up there. Starfish. Yeah, it's a giant eel. See that? Oh, nice. That's the seahorse. You see that? That's the seahorse. A lot of them here. There. Seahorse. There's a big one. Bob, are you happy you see a seahorse? Yeah. You want to take a picture of me with them? 1, 2, 3, smile. There's a lot of them. There's heaps of them in here. Whoa. ride the Ocean Express.
I just got train.
It's a train. Bob, you stand here. Go, Bob, go, go. Go, Bob. Hail. Mommy's hailing you. It's still raining, guys. Oh. But you're gonna get wet. Look at that. Their eyes are red. Their eyes are bleeding because maybe they will keep watching iPad. Yeah.
Baliw eh.
There's a cable car, Bob. You see that one? There's a cable car. Oh, sad. All the rides are suspended due to strong wind. You see, the wind is so strong. What is that, Pierre? It's a jellyfish. Oh, beautiful. Awesome. There are pumpkins on top. It's time to see the shark, guys. I want to give Pierre to the shark. Is it okay, guys? Comment down below. Wow, it's so nice here. Let's take picture again. Most of freedom. Ikaw sing ah. You sing and dance, we don't know the song. Go, give him. Take this boy, Shark. Oh yeah, he's stopping now, Mommy. He heard you. Need help?
at the shark Pierre. He's hibernating. What time is it? It's almost 2 p.m. So the shark is resting.
Oh, what is that? What shark is that? It's a reptile. Oh, there's a green snake, Bob. Give your finger to the turquoise. Look at their mouth. They look like crocodile. Bob, their mouth looks like, their head looks like a crocodile. There's a stingray down there. Where's the golden monkey? Oh, he's here. He's wearing raincoat. He's a golden monkey. Hello, golden monkey. You're so cute, golden monkey. Golden monkey. Naughty golden monkey. Drive the train. Choo-choo. Let's go see the pandas.
冇錯啦，但佢並唔係一隻普通嘅鸚鵡嚟㗎。阿 King 係一隻金剛鸚鵡嚟㗎，而金剛鸚鵡亦都係。
What's that?
A panda food.
Can you smell it?
Can you smell it?
I don't want to smell it. It's disgusting. There's the panda. You stand here. Stand here. Hi, panda. Say hi to the face. Play this. Are you ready, ba?
Are you ready?
You have to win the game.
I'm playing you.